Hi everyone, welcome back again. So today we'll cover the difference between absolute XPath and relative XPath. Okay, in Selenium. So in our previous video, we already discussed what is XPath. Okay, and what are the syntax of both absolute and relative XPath. Okay, how we can identify. Also, we have covered locators, but I will cover that what are the exact difference. Okay, what are the with the points I will cover, guys. Okay, because this is most accessible interview question, guys. When go for the interview, they will definitely ask for you. Okay, so today I will show you in the one website, guys, how we are writing both. Okay, so first we'll go for the absolute XPath. Okay, absolute XPath. Okay, so as we know that the first point will be what absolute XPath begins with single slash. Okay, as it cover from the root. Okay, root means from the starting from the parent. Okay, of that HTML code or DOM file. Okay, to start with slash, single slash. Okay, so on the same way relative XPath. Okay, okay, so here relative XPath what begins with double slash. Okay, double slash. So then we'll go for the second point, guys. Second point is it starts. Okay, which one? Absolute XPath. Okay, it starts from the root of the HTML document. Okay, the root of the HTML document or the DOM file. Okay, or DOM file. Okay, then I just writing the syntax here, guys. Okay, what will be the exact syntax? Okay, syntax of absolute XPath is single slash. Okay, then HTML. Okay, so this is a simple example, guys. The code may be different. Okay, as per the hierarchy, HTML, then body, then what will be the div. Okay, then input. Okay, so the hierarchy is like this only. Okay, so then go for the second point of what relative XPath. Okay, so its relative XPath starts with starts from a specific element. Okay, element, and navigate through navigate navigate through. Okay, the DOM hierarchy, the DOM hierarchy. Okay, and it it's mostly used. Okay, so then we'll go for the syntax, guys. Okay, what will be the syntax? Okay, so the syntax will be double slash. Okay, I think you already know, we'll already cover. Okay, but again I'm writing. Okay, double slash, then your tag name. Okay, then your attribute name here. Okay, attribute. Okay, attribute name, but at the rate will be there. Okay, attribute equal to your value. Okay, what will the value here? Okay, then the fourth one, guys, which is most important. Okay, so in your absolute XPath, okay, there is high chances of, okay, high chances of code failure, guys. Okay, why code failure? I will just go to explain you. Okay, code failure. Okay, failure. Okay, but in your meanwhile in the relative XPath, okay, the chance is very low. Okay, there is very low chances of code failure. Okay, so why is code failure in absolute XPath, guys? Because if the development side, they are mostly they are when they are just updating their code, okay, they're just adding a new like div file, okay, div tag or any new inputs, okay, on this in between that code. Okay, so the position will be changed. Okay, so after slash you will find a new div or any new element here. Okay, so the chance is very high. Okay, so better we go for the relative XPath. Okay, so now I just going to explain you how we write. Okay, how I can find out. Okay, so just going to a dummy website, guys, here. Okay, so here, as you know that if I go for the writing the XPath, you have to just right click and inspect element. Okay, so here suppose I'm going for the username. Okay, find out the username element of the username. Okay, so for that we have to just see for to if for the uh, your top your parent to child, guys, you have to just write down, you just hover on it. Okay, see, first one is HTML, then body, okay, then div file here. Okay, so as our syntax, guys, we go for the first absolute XPath. Okay, so this, so to write to identify here, guys, you have to just click on your in your document in your DOM file here and just find your control F, press control F here. See, one search window is open here. Okay, so you have to just write single slash here. First one is what? HTML is here. Okay, see, guys, so I'm just hovering on it. The page effect is, if you can see the page effect here. Okay, so first is HTML. Okay, HTML, then your what? Body, see, it's still highlighting. Okay, then you go for the div. Okay, then again the div is there. Okay, so you have to go for the div again, div. Okay, then again the div is there because so many divs are there, guys. Okay, see, now you can just after writing, when you're writing the code, writing your your elements there here to find out, you can see the effect of it. Okay, on the page. Mean and same you can just see the highlighting in the yellow div yellow mark. See, now we are here only. Okay, then again div is there. Okay, div or come to this position. Okay, now you can see in between the div one more div is there. Okay, then the form will be there. Okay, so we have to write again a div here, div div. Okay, so see, now it's highlighting here. Okay, now we go for the form here. Okay, because in the form tag only we have that particular element. Okay, form, see, it's highlighted. Okay, now after form, guys, you can just go for the one more div. Okay, see, div. Okay, see, now it's highlighting. If I click on it, enter, pressing the enter key, it's highlighted. Okay, but the issue is that here, guys, we can find three element of input. Okay, the start of input tag, guys, where we have three elements. Okay, so I just want to be go on the username only, not all. Okay, so for that, guys, what I have to do, I have to again press input here. Okay, input, see, now it's going 2. Okay, 2, because username and password both tag name is start with input only. Okay, so now we are going for the index concept here, guys. Okay, so at the starting of the line, we have to just end the parenthesis, open parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Okay, now we have to just go for the square bracket, and here we have to write 1. Okay, see, if I writing 1 here, it's highlighting username. Okay, if I writing 2 here, it's highlighting the password. Okay, so by this way, guys, by this absolute XPath, guys, we just find out that element. Okay, I just taking here that syntax here for the reference purpose, guys. Okay, then we move for the creative XPath. Okay, now go for the relative XPath syntax, guys. Okay, so we know that for the relative XPath, the syntax is start with double slash. Okay, so suppose we have just go for that login button. Okay, so I just spy on it, guys. This spy icon. Okay, click on it and just spy on that whatever element you just go to identify. Okay, suppose login button. Okay, so the tag name is input. Okay, and you can see there are lots of attribute name is there. Okay, guys. Okay, id, name. Okay, so you can take any particular attribute. Okay, so first is tag name input. Okay, then suppose I'm tagging here. Okay, name. Okay, so you have to just start your square bracket at the rate. Okay, name. Okay, name, then single quote. Okay, you can take double quote also, guys, but at the time of writing also, because in our like on your IDE, you're writing that particular using the by class, guys, or double quote is already there, so it shows some error. Okay, so better you go for the single quote. See, now I am just enter it, it's highlighting, it's showing that 1 of 1. Okay, now you can assure that you have no duplicate like tag name, guys. Okay, you can just take it. Okay, so by this way, guys, you can easily identify through your browser itself. After inspecting element, you can easily identify your XPath. Okay, so better you go for the relative XPath, guys. For the most rare case, we go for the absolute XPath. Okay, but every time we should go for the relative XPath only. Okay, and one more things, guys, if you go for the ID here, okay, sometimes you got some numbers here. Okay, some integer numbers, so don't go for that because it's getting changed every time. Okay, so if it is in the string format, you can go for it. Okay, but if it is on the like your integer number, so better don't go with the ID. Okay, you can take any other name. Okay, so this is the most like 4 points, guys, the difference. Okay, with the syntax. Okay, so you can just practice from your end, guys. Okay, if any issue, okay, you can directly comment it out. Okay, or you can reach out to me. Okay, so till now, guys, we have already covered lots of Selenium Java concepts in our previous video. Okay, like your basic Selenium WebDriver, and most important your Opps concept. Okay, what are the object oriented concept? Okay, so we'll go for that, and you can just learn and practice for your side. Okay, because when you go for the practice every time, guys, you have to a deep knowledge on it. Okay, you can if you will face some error, then you can resolve yourself. Okay, then you will learn. Okay, just practice yourself. If any issue, you just comment me on that what in the video. Okay, and please subscribe our channel that you can got the new video. Okay, whatever new I will go for, add in some more new videos, most important interview questions with answers, guys. Okay, so please subscribe and like for that update, guys. Okay, so we'll see in the next important topic, guys, in the next video. Okay, till then, just learn from your side. Okay, thank you, bye bye.